raindrops. That's what's happening. Yeah, it's not coming down hard. It's coming down like a drop, drop, drop. So I still could get a bike ride on the Adventure 2 by Cannondale. Why do I got a bluish hue? Why? Hey, I'm Fish. I am really thinking that I'm gonna go grab the DJI Osmo Action 4 and start to use that again. I'm not sure why the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is the way it is. Sometimes it's best to grab the camera and use what you like best. If the Action 4 makes you happy, Fish, grab it and use it. If you're happy with the Action 5 Pro, then it is what it is, man. It is what it is. Blue, blue, blue. Sometimes the blue makes everything look blue as well. The sky's got blue. We know that for sure. Now, you see color in the sky. And I am early for the sunrise again. Sailboat on the side, tied up, pulled to the side. That's what we do. I really must be early. This is low light, almost like a Kodak chrome, a goldish hue color. I don't think I see it there at all. Rat, there he goes, right there. What happened to my vlogger's table? It'll be clean. Not today, though. What's that? How did a hole get in the sand? Oh, watch out for that hole over there. That's a tunnel. Well, the wind is kicking. I had to switch on over. No boats. Nothing at all. So, yeah, maybe I'll just keep on riding. Ride, Fish. The sun's trying to pop up. Not yet. He's imitating an eagle. Look how big he is, and he's hurt. I got a flood. I have to cross. Hang on. Pear cactus. Look how big they are, how tall they are. I got some at home. Well, I'm heading out. Getting out. Going out. I am out. Let's just move along. I'm not even pedaling. I'm being pushed out of here. Who's pushing me? How far can I go? And I'm just going real slow. Must be gravity pull. I made it all the way to the end without pedaling. Wow, I'm stuck in the middle now. What to do? Now, this is the front. It's with grass. Is it real grass or not? If the grass grows or gets ran over, what do? We don't believe in sidewalks. We just walk on the streets. That's what we do. We walk where we want. This is another driveway path and front. A lot nicer than the other. Just missing one. Now, this is what I like. Very nice indeed. Well, I'm here for the sunrise. You should have been up. Everybody sits in cars, lights on. This is probably the 10th one I saw. I'm waiting. Where are you? Do I have to keep on going? One, not two, but three boats. And they just left. Your bike fell. I doubt this will ever get built. Well, I rode down to the other end. Oh, let's see if the sun's over here. I could take a break. Now I could coast on down at the speed the bike is going to go. It's just a blue hue day. Just an opening where the sun may come out. Does it work? I'm pressing. They must have shut it off. Ah, that's bothering you. I get it. Well, I tried to catch the sun on a nice, wet day. I went out to one place, the original doesn't show. And I went to the original, it don't show. But there is a spot for the sun to come up. It'll be up soon. So you can sit here and wait. It's way past that time. I had a good time riding. I gotta go meet up with Joe. Gotta go talk a little. Not talk. Talk. You get it? Talk. I don't think you get it. That's a little bit of beeswax, right? Well, I said a lot, did a lot, shared a lot, showed some. I got one in the editor. Gotta get done. And yeah, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. So let's get on going, get on sharing, and get on out of here. I'm Fish. Let me turn around and go. I think I am going to go get my DJI Osmo Action 4 and go ahead and use it.